Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I will be sharing my Club Factory haul with you guys, and I will also share my experience with you guys. So yes, let's get started with this video. So the first thing I bought is this beautiful bag. It is a beautiful backpack and it is very small. You can see that. This was at rupees 435 rupees, and I think the quality is not bad. The quality is good. The design looks superb. The golden and the black looks amazing. You can see this strap. It is a single strap, so you can use this as a backpack as well as a sling bag as well. So for the quality, I think I'm happy with this purchase. The price is almost okay because here the designs are not good that much and the price gets higher, like 800 to 1000. So I think it's a good reasonable bag at rupees 435. I'm really happy with this, and the quality seems really good. So the next thing I got is another bag. This is the bag which has a detail in it, and it has a single strap again. You can use this as your sling bag or you can use it as your handbag, and it looks quite good, but the quality, I think it's like normal. You can get this quality bags from New Market, and the price for this bag was 572. I think the price is little bit higher, but the quality is okay. It's not very good, it's not very poor, it is like normally okay. So yeah, I quite like this bag, and the color combination is amazing, you guys. And if you get this bag at a lower price like 300 to 350, then you can go ahead and buy it. Otherwise you can skip this. Okay, so the next thing I bought is another bag. Yes, I got 3 bags. It is a tote bag, and this is it says it's a leather bag, but it's not. I just bought this bag just because of this chain. It looks amazing, and you can just take it like this as well, or you can take it like this. So inside this, it has only one compartment, and this bag has no zipper, nothing, just a lock. That's it. So yeah, I think this bag is nice, but the price for this bag was rupees 674, which is really too much. And the size of the bag is quite small. I prefer bigger bags, so I'm not happy with this purchase. But the chain detail is amazing, you guys. I love the chain detail. Okay, so the next thing I got is a hair extension. I have seen lots of YouTubers raving about their hair extension, what you get in Club Factory, and even I saw Rishita from Makeup by Rishita. She bought a hair extension and she loved it, so I really wanted to try one, and I got this one. This one, it's a dark brown hair extension, and this was at rupees 232. I haven't tried this, but I will try it really soon. This does not match with my hair, you can see. So I don't know how I am going to use this. So yeah, the quality is good, and if you like hair extension or if you like hair wigs, then you can give it a try. The prices are really low, you guys, so I like it. So I will be using this in one of my videos, I hope so. And the next 2 things is jewelry. I got 2 neck piece, and this is the one I'm wearing. It is a Libra neck piece. I really wanted to get a zodiac kind of a neck piece from a long time, and when I got this, I was really happy. And this was at rupees 69 only. I mean, that's a nice price. Then the next thing I got is this jewelry. It is a beautiful neck piece, and it was at rupees 83, which is reasonable. Okay, so now for my experience, I loved most of the things, but I didn't like 2 of their bags because of the quality and their price. So my experience is so-so. It's not very good, it's not very bad as well. I got all the products I ordered, and the timing of the delivery is too long, you guys. I really love the quality of this, but I didn't like the quality of the other bags. I also like the hair extension quality. I also like the jewelry I got, but for the price for the bags is too much. So if you get these bags at a lower price, then I would highly recommend. Otherwise you don't need to buy that. And for the shipment, yes, they take a lot of time to ship your product, and for the delivery it takes 10 to 15 days. And yes, for recommendation, I think you should definitely give it a try because their prices are too low on some of the products, like the hair extension, the jewelries are amazing. You can also order some makeup brushes or like dresses. So yes, I hope you like this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you again on my next video. Till then, take care, love you all. Bye guys.